Welcome to AutoCAD's Align Command tutorial. In AutoCAD, the Align command is a powerful tool used to precisely align objects within your drawings. To access the Align command, simply type ALIGN in the command line and press Enter. Or you can navigate to the Modify panel in the Home tab and select Align from the drop-down menu. First, select the objects you want to align. You can choose multiple objects by clicking on them individually or by using a selection window. After selecting the objects, AutoCAD will prompt you to specify the first source point and the corresponding destination point, then the second source point. This defines the alignment between the objects. We have a plan here with room size of 4 meter width, and I can increase the size to 6 meter and scaling all the plan and increase the dimensions accordingly. Once you've completed the alignment process, press Enter to finalize the command. That concludes our tutorial on the Align command in AutoCAD. Happy drafting!